Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Can you play the game?
Okay, you all came for game. Okay.
Yes. Simon says. Simon says. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Musfira. Okay. How about others? Zainab, Ali, Amara, turn on your camera. Let me see you.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Zainab, you also turn on your camera.
This is Simon says.
Simon says, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Zainab, turn on your camera, Zainab. Okay. Simon says, the game is like I'll ask you to do anything, any stuff, and you need to keep doing it unless I tell you stop. Right?
What, ma'am?
Like I'll ask you to do like run. You keep doing running, and then if I say you stop, then you have to stop. Okay. Zainab, turn on your camera. How will I see you performing the activity? This game needs the. Zainab, are you listening me?
Ma'am, for this activity, I have to room for headphones.
Yes, otherwise that will break. Zainab, can you hear me, beta?
Ali, change your name to your own name. I don't like that. I think she's went somewhere.
Okay, chalo. Simon says jump.
Morning.
Jump. Ali.
Morning.
Good morning, Ian. How are you? Playing a game. Musfira also doing it. Musfira Rizwani. Ali, you are out, huh? You are not following the rules. Simon says jump. Stop. Stop. Amir, without even you didn't get out from the chair and you're jumping on the chair itself. Wow, wow, Amir. Okay, you stood up. Okay, chalo. Simon says to give a big smile. Smile, big smile. I can see your teeth. Ian, smile. Let me see whose smile is more beautiful. Ali, I cannot see your face. How will I see the smile? Yeah, Ali. Yeah, now that's better. Amara, open yourself. Don't close it. Little more. Amir, I cannot see your teeth. Show me your teeth. Let me see who has a beautiful smile. Ian, show me your teeth. Okay. Ali went away. Ali. Okay. Stop. Simon says, start clapping. Start clapping. Oh, wow. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Slow claps. You understand slow claps? Like Zainab is doing right. Zainab is doing, yes, Musfira. Slow claps. I'm telling slow claps. You're going wrong.
But he didn't say Simon says. So I can't do
Oh, Simon says slow clap. Fast. Simon says fast. Slow. No, you are out. Amara, Amir and Ian are out. Look, the rule is only when I'll say Simon says to do this, then only I have to do that. Otherwise, you don't have to change the mode. Okay, chalo. Again, we'll do it. Again, we will do it. Simon says, run. Run.
Run.
Run, run. Oh, Amara, don't move from your place. Yeah, yeah. Just keep doing it from your place only so that I can see you. Okay. Zainab, you can't get up?
Everyone is doing like.
Yes. Sit. Sit. Lovely. Amara, again you went. I didn't say Simon says sit. I said only sit. Okay, Simon says sit. Simon says sit. But I just asked you to sit. Now you have to keep running while sitting also. You all are out. You all are out again.
I'm running.
I'm confusing you people. I want to see how many of you are alert. Chalo. Okay, last part. What should I give you now? Which activity? Okay. Simon says to fly. Fly. To fly. No, Amara, that's the exercise. To fly. How does the birds fly? Yes. Stop. 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 Why did you stop, Amara? Why did you stop, Khatija, Ian, and Ali? Did I say Simon say stop?
I didn't stop.
Okay, Ali didn't stop, Ian didn't stop, Zainab and Musfira and Mawir didn't stop. Oh,
Khatija is out because she did it. She
yes.
stopped
Sit,
it.
sit, sit. Oh, wow.
That's it.
Nobody sat. Very nice. Simon says sit. Stop. Simon says stop and then sit. Yeah. Tomorrow also we'll play this. Sorry, on Tuesday when we'll meet for science. Okay? Now you understand. Okay? Chalo. Why is Rayan turning the camera on? I hope everyone is doing well, had your breakfast, had a lovely morning. You got tired? You can have water if you want. Got tired by doing this activity? Okay. Chalo. Musfira Sayyed didn't join, na? Right? Where is she today? And who else? Sure. Last time you remember, should we go on maths? Should we do maths also?
Ma'am, I bought my book.
Show me. Show me. Oh, good. Today we will do this. You remember?
And do I have to write?
Yeah. First, let me start na, Amara. Then only I'll let you know what. You remember we did this in the last session. Okay.
Copy.
Yeah. Everybody first mute yourself. First mute yourself. It become very difficult for me. First mute yourself. Ian, mute yourself. Everyone. Yeah. Muted. Good. Now look. Last time what did we do? A puzzle was given to me and clues were given to me for the across and the down part. I solved this sums and I got the number and I put it in this boxes of the square box. Okay. Now here, now the second part is, look, the second part is here already the number is given to me. Can you see this? Which number?
Yeah.
Now everybody unmute yourself. Everybody unmute yourself.
46, 45.
Yes.
46
Now,
and 45.
Yes. Now which number is given for the first clue? And for the
46.
Yes, yes. And wait. Which number is given for the first part of down part? Which number is given?
45.
I have to make hint. Now the number is given to me. Okay. I have to make what? I have to make a clue. I got the answer for the clue, but I have to make a clue. How will I make this? You got the question? You got the question?
We have to make a line. We have to make a line in across, and we have to make a line in down.
So that will help me to get the answer. Yeah, Zainab. That will help me to get the answer. Yeah, beta?
No, ma'am.
Look, for the across one, everybody pay attention. For the across one, what is the number? What is the answer over here? Tell me.
46.
And for the down one, what is the answer?
45.
Okay. Your clue should be such. Clue here, your clue means what? You will take two numbers, either added or subtracted. It should give you what?
46.
Or for the down part, it should
45.
first number is I'm taking for 46. Where should I write it? Okay, am I writing over here? This is visible to everyone, 46?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to get a number pair for 46. The moment I get a number pair for 46, I can put it over here. Am I right? So that will become my clue. Okay, kids, understanding? Think. What is the number pair for 46?
0 plus 46.
0?
0 plus 46.
But that is very simple, Zainab. You have to take two different numbers. Instead of 0, take any other number. That's quite simple.
43 plus 2.
43 plus 2. Who said that? Ian?
Mr. Sayyed.
Muspira Sayyed. Okay, you are there. Are you sure 43 plus 2 will give me 46? Are you sure?
Plus 3.
Yes, this is right. 43 plus 3 is how much? Tell me.
46.
Yes. So can I write here 40? Yeah, Amir, wait. There are many questions. We'll get chance. 43 plus 3. But let me make it more tricky. This is quite simple because look, you have taken 2-digit number and here single-digit number. Now, I want both the numbers should be 2-digit. You got my question? Both the numbers. Yeah.
Ma'am, I don't
Very
got the
easy.
question.
This is very, who's saying that?
Musfira Rizwani,
Okay.
what I say I didn't understand.
Okay, listen, Musfira.
33.
What?
33 plus 23.
Wait. Musfira said. First, everybody mute yourself. There are kids who are not understanding what's happening. So I have to explain them first. Ian,
23 plus
Ian, did you understand what's happening? Ian, did you understand what's happening? If no, then tell me. I'll explain you again. No?
Ma'am, we have to make a box and write in that.
What?
Like
you have to
this, we have to make.
Wait. Look, tell me one thing. Which number is given over here? First, listen, everyone. What is the number given over here? 46. Now, I need to get a number pair for 46. Which two numbers?
Amara.
Wait, Amara, let me complete. Which two numbers on addition or subtraction will give me 46? You have to find that. Because I need to get the answer what? I need to get the answer for my puzzle. To solve my puzzle, it's given. The answer is 46. I have to form the clues. Did you understand Musfira now? Musfira Rizwani?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Now Musfira Rizwani, you tell me what should be the pair of number 46. Number pair of 46. Number friend of 46. Tell.
2-digit number, can I say? 2-digit.
No, Musfira, you can't say. You already said one.
Okay.
Anybody?
Ma'am, 8 plus 6.
How much did you say? Tell me.
8 plus 6.
Okay. Musfira Rizwani, add these two numbers. Are you getting 46?
Ma'am, 13 plus 36.
Yes, wait. Musfira, where are you? I want Musfira to answer. Musfira.
Can I tell?
Arey, wait. Everybody who knows the answer, start solving it. Start solving it in your book. Chalo, start solving it. Musfira Rizwani. Listen.
Yes.
Tell me, beta, 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is giving me 46. Tell me. You tell me. Is it?
No.
So how it could be for the 8 and 6 can't be a number pair for 46. Look, these two numbers which Musfira Sayyed is given. 43 plus 3 is how much? Tell me 43 plus 3. How much is it?
46.
Yes. Is it
Because 3 plus 3. Ma'am, 13 plus 30.
yes.
Ma'am, 13 plus 33. 13
Yes.
plus 33.
Yes, Mariam, it's right.
Can
I
I
want.
tell now? Can I
Musfira.
tell?
Yeah, Ali, I'll give you chance, beta.
23
Musfira.
plus.
Okay,
Ma'am,
wait, what I'll do?
8 plus 8. Ma'am,
40, 40,
48.
what you say 40 plus? Very nice. Musfira, 40 plus?
40 plus.
कुछ बुक्स ऊपर टेबल पे पड़ी है कुछ बैग में
Think, 40 plus what will give me 46? Let her try.
40 plus 6.
Yes, Musfira.
40 plus 6.
Okay, now are you understanding? Now are you understanding?
20
Chalo.
23
Now,
plus
Ali-
23.
Ali will answer. Chalo. Now, which number?
I already answered that.
Okay. But I told you kids, I don't want the numbers. I don't want a number pair in single digit. I want the number pair for both pairs should be of double this thing. 2 digits. So what would be the answer? Chalo, tell me.
20
Yeah, who will tell me?
plus 22.
Okay, 20. What did you say?
3 plus 23 plus 22.
Are you sure? 23 plus
Yes.
22 is 46. Are you sure?
Not 46, not 46.
Then?
45.
Okay, I'm asking for 46. Ian, Ian will
46
answer.
is
Ian?
23 plus
Ali.
23.
Lovely. That's correct,
Yes,
Ali.
ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Amara, can I say for 46?
Wait. Amara, I'll give you chance. Ian, I want Ian to answer. How? Tell me a number pair for 45. Chalo. Tell me a number pair for 45. Which two numbers on addition will give me 45, Ian? Think.
4 and
4 and what?
5.
4 and 5 will give me 45, Ian. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 will give me 45. Think.
Think.
Think. Which two numbers on addition will give me 45? You can split it like this. Ian, if you're getting difficulty, look. Tell me one thing. Which is the number in tens place? Tell me which.
4.
4. So what is the place value of 4? Tell me, what is the place value of 4? No, 40. What
4.
is the place value of 4? What is it?
40.
Yes.
40.
Now which number is at one's place? Which number is at one's place?
5.
Yes. So 40 plus 5 will give me 45. Understood? Understood? Ian?
40 plus 5.
Yes. Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, one thing I was asking,
Yeah.
that we have to make like these boxes.
It's there
this
in your
puzzle,
textbook. You have the textbook or not? You have it?
Yes.
So just open that textbook and write it over here. That's it. Don't make it.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to do it in textbook
Which is-
only.
Ma'am, science one or maths one?
Maths one. This is maths beta. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, chalo. I want who didn't answer. Musfira Rizwani
Ma'am,
answered.
Zainab.
Amara and Zainab. Yeah. Be prepared for the next one. Chalo. I don't want to take, look, kids who don't understand how to get the two number pair in 2 digit can go for this. This is the simple one. But now what I want, Zainab, I want you to get the number pair in 2 digits. Did you understand my question? Yeah, 45.
No,
Tell
ma'am.
me. Okay. 40 and 5 is very simple pair for 45. Okay? It's very easy. Anybody can make out. This is 2 digit and this is 1 digit. I want you to get a number pair, both of 2 digit. Now, did you get it? Both the number pairs should be of 2 digit.
Okay.
Got it? Yeah. Not 2
Which
digit and
answer?
single. Think and
Which
answer.
question?
Ali, you know it. Ali,
Ma'am,
Chalo.
which question should I do?
45. I am not taking this number pair because that is quite simple.
10 plus 35.
Perfect. Lovely. 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 Excellent. Chalo. So kids, don't tell me single digit pair. Huh? I am not considering that. That is quite easy. And you can also take for subtraction. It's not like you have to always take addition only. Can I write over here? 10 plus 35 as said by Zena. Amara, your turn. Amara, your turn. What happened? Where are my kids? I cannot
Yes,
hear you.
ma'am.
Yes, Amara, your turn. Now, second one. Tell me what is the answer? What is the answer for the second clue? Tell me.
57.
Yes, 57. How would you get a number pair for 57? Tell me.
57 plus 10.
What did you say?
57 plus 10, she said.
No, beta. Think, Amara. After this, Khatija, you are answering. Yeah, think. Look, Amara, the simple way, if you don't know the tough way, the simple way is like 57. Okay? Tell me to find a number pair for 57. What you'll do? Tell me. Which number is at 10's place? Tell me.
50.
Perfect. The place value 50. And what is at 1's place? 7. So this is the number pair. This is the number pair. Right? Amara, okay, look, Amara, we can do for this also. Wait.
Ma'am, for 45, I have one.
Wait. I am doing in terms of subtraction. Nobody is answering in terms of subtraction. Only addition,
Ma'am, I
addition.
want to say something.
Who want to say?
Ian,
Yeah, Ian, tell me.
in my maths book, I have done it.
Okay, lovely. I'll see it at the end of the session. Okay, now Ali, you want to answer, na? Chalo, Ali, tell me.
Yes.
Tell me a number pair of 57 in terms of subtraction.
Subtraction.
Yes, subtraction. How would you do this?
57 minus 57.
0. You'll get 0. The
No,
answer should be 57.
Not that.
Anybody?
107.
This question is for everyone. In the subtraction.
107 minus
If
107 minus 57.
Are you sure? 107 minus 57. No, beta. You won't get it. Anybody else? Okay, I'll give you a trick. Listen. If you can
61
remember.
minus
Wait. Tell me
61
which is
minus
kids, wait. Which is the greatest tens number from 57? Greater tens number. Which tens number is nearby to 57? 60. 60 is nearby to 57. Now 60 minus what will give me 57? Think.
60 minus 4.
No.
5.
No.
Minus 5.
No, not 5.
3.
Yes.
Minus
Count now. Count 57, 58, 59, 60. So how much? The difference is how much? 3. So you can get these two numbers. This is also a number pair for 57.
63.
Okay. Are you understanding? Okay, we'll take
Yes,
more
ma'am.
examples. We will take more examples. In case if you're not understanding, I'll take more examples. Chalo. Now, Khatija, what did Amara say over here? 50, Amara, 50 plus 7. Okay, chalo. Amara, is it fine?
Yes.
50 plus 7? Yeah, Khatija,
Yes.
your turn. Tell me for down part. What is the answer for the clue? What is the answer?
Ma'am, do I have to do subtraction or addition?
So first you tell me what answer did you get for this cross puzzle at number 2? What answer did you get? What is the answer? It's written, na? It's 51. Yeah. You have to get a number pair of 51. What will be the number? Pair of 51. Chalo, who will tell me?
Ma'am, in plus or minus?
You're up to you. Up to you. If you come up with minus, great. And if you can come
Can I
up with
also
addition, yeah, Khatija. It's Khatija's turn. Khatija will answer. Yeah, Khatija. Number pair for 51, Khatija. It's so easy. Look, Khatija. Why kids are finding it difficult? It's easy.
Ma'am.
Yeah? No, I want everyone to understand. Look, Khatija. Yeah, Khatija, tell me.
41 plus 10.
51
Ma'am,
plus?
31. Ma'am, 31 plus 20. 31
Okay.
plus.
Khatija, if you're finding it difficult, what you can do, you can split. Amara, tell me what is the number pair for 51? Tell me. 50 and?
57. Ma'am, 31 plus 20. 31 plus
Wait.
20.
First, everybody mute yourself. Everybody. I am seeing that some kids are finding it difficult to get a number pair. I don't know why. Amara, Khatija, Musfira, Rizwani. Are you understanding? Please tell me. If you don't, yeah, tell me or not. Yeah? Amara, are you understanding? Okay. Chalo. Amara, listen here. Yeah, Zainab, you're not understanding.
No, I'm understanding, but which questions I want to solve it to do?
You can go for third one, beta. Look, what is the third one? 68. Solve a number pair for 68, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Khadija.
Yeah, Khatija, tell me.
41 plus 10.
Perfect. How did you get that? Lovely. Amara, listen here. Amara, I asked you to split this number. The simple one. Tell me, Amara. Well, which number is at tens place? Tell me. What is the place value for 5? Yeah, Amara? 50. And 50 plus what? And what is the place value at 1? Sorry. What is the number at 1's place? What is the number at 1's? 1. So 50 plus 1 will give you what?
51.
That's it. That's the number pair for 51. Have you understood?
Ma'am.
And where did I get the 51, Amara? Where did I get the 51? Look at the second.
Rizwani is telling something.
Yeah.
I think she does not understand.
Okay, Musfira.
I want to answer that 50 plus 1.
It's perfect. I'm taking 50 plus 1. You can take another one also. You can take any other pair, but it should give you an addition or subtraction 51. Chalo, third one. Third one.
For pair 51. For the 20.
Who said okay? I want to hear from Musfira Sayyed. What another pair you were giving? Tell me. From when she's saying, let me listen her. Yeah, Musfira Sayyed, tell me.
Ma'am, for 51,
Yeah.
38 plus 20. And for
51.
68.
For 51, 38 plus 20. Are you sure? No, it's not. Think. Amir, what's your pair for 51?
20
Except
plus
for
20.
no.
Ma'am, 20 plus 20.
What?
For 51. 20
Yeah, Amir.
plus 20.
20 plus 21. No. 20 plus 31. Right? 20 plus 31. Yeah, Musfira, what was your pair?
20. Ma'am, 21 plus 30.
That's
21.
better. Perfect, Musfira. Yeah, Amir, tell me.
Ma'am, and for 68.
Wait, Musfira. Yeah, Amir.
88 minus 37.
Lovely. He came up with the subtraction. Okay, good. Till here, Musfira, Rizwani, Amara, Khatija understood. Now I am going to the third
Amara,
part.
I want
Kian?
to tell something. I'm thinking something in subtraction.
Okay, so how would you do it? Look.
100 minus 60. I'm thinking,
But for which number you are taking? Yeah, Amara.
58
Minus 58 minus. For 51 you're telling?
Yes, ma'am. I'm making a pair of 51.
ठीक है.
Ma'am.
So 58 minus what will give me?
Ma'am.
What will give me? Think. You are right, beta. Minus.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
100 minus 68.
58 minus. Look,
No.
Amara, 58 na? Yeah, listen.
Ma'am, Zainab,
Yeah, Zainab, what is it? Tell me.
I made 100 minus 68.
I will come to you. For 68, you're telling, na?
Yep.
I'm still on 51. Yeah, Amara, tell me. 58 minus what? Dekho, beta, listen. I need 5. Amara, are you understanding? I need 5 in my actual answer. Now, 8. 8 minus 1 is how much? Think. Look, 5 minus 5 is 0. Yes. So the answer is 7. Okay, 58 minus 7 will give me 51. Okay, kids, if you don't get a number pair for subtraction, it's okay. Go for addition because anyways you need only one hint. Yeah, chalo. Now where is Musfira Rizwani?
Ma'am,
Musfira,
Zainab,
Yeah.
I want to answer.
definitely I'll give you the next chance. Okay, after Musfira. Yeah, Musfira
Okay.
Rizwani. Listen here. Tell me which answer is there on the third place. Tell me for the down part. Down part.
68.
Perfect.
68.
Now you frame a hint for 68. Chalo. Zainab, where are you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to you tell me. Wait. Zainab, you have to tell me which answer is given for the third place for across part. Third place across part. See.
Ma'am, which one, ma'am? Can you do
Third
it with the-
place across part.
across
Across.
like this, no?
Yeah. What answer is given?
61.
Get a number pair for 61. Got your task? Okay, chalo, do it
Yes,
fast.
ma'am.
Yeah.
I got a pair for 68.
After this, yes. After this, Ian and Khatija is answering. Then Ali. Yeah, Musfira Rizwani. Chalo, tell me for 68.
60 plus 8. 60
Lovely.
plus 8.
Lovely. Okay. It is for down part. So don't mistake it. I'm writing it in down only. Yeah. 60 plus
Ma'am,
8.
I got one for 68.
Wait,
Can I
Musfira. I'm
answer one?
asking you. Yeah. Chalo. But I don't want 60 and 8, huh? Because
No, that's not my answer.
okay, chalo, Musfira Sayyed, answer me. What is for 68? Then Ali will answer after this.
38 plus 30.
Perfect. Well done. Amir, your answer. Number pair for
And now for
68.
61,
If
I'll
you
get
can-
one pair.
You can get it for subtraction also, Amir. Yeah, Amir.
Ma'am, Amara.
Yeah, Amara.
100 minus 32.
Perfect, Amir. Perfect. Yeah, Amara.
I'm telling you that I made a number pair for 61. 61 plus 8.
60. Okay, Amara, you are somewhere right. Amara, look at me. You are saying 61 plus 8. Are you sure? 61. Look, 8 fingers I have removed. Can you see my fingers? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. But what do I want?
68.
So is it right? Just decrease one finger. So 61 plus
61 plus 2.
no. Look. 61 plus. Okay, am I not visible? Wait.
Ma'am, 61 plus 7.
Yes. Lovely. 61
Ma'am,
plus
I
7.
got the minus 1.
Okay, Zainab,
Ma'am, I
I'll
got
wait
the
for you.
minus 1.
Yeah, tell me for 61. Tell me.
I got 2 actually.
You have to
Not
give me
2.
one. If you have to give me one. Addition one, I'll be writing here. Subtraction while I'll just listen. Because other kids are getting confused with subtraction. Na?
Okay.
So only I'm writing the
Seven
addition. Yeah, tell me.
70 minus 9 is 61.
Lovely. But I'm not writing that. Chalo, next. Give me for addition one.
Addition 1, I don't have the
You-
addition 1.
So do it. You cannot give me a number pair 60 and 1, Zainab. I'm not expecting that answer from you. 60 and 1, I don't want from you. For 61.
Oh, for
60 and 1, I don't want answer from you. Okay, I want different pair. Chalo, Ali, your
Can I
turn.
tell?
Yeah, tell
38
me.
plus 30. 38 plus 30.
That is for 68. I want for 61. Yeah, for
61.
61. Yes.
First you say Ma'am, 61. Ma'am, for 61 I have one.
Okay, wait, let Ali answer.
31 plus 36. 31 plus 30.
Perfect, Ali. Perfect. Ian, number pair
Ma'am,
for
can I answer mine number pair?
Wait, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo, answer. Musfira Sayyed answer. Then I'll go to Ian.
Yeah. 20 plus 41.
20 plus 41. Perfect. Ian, number pair for 61. Chalo, fast.
Number pair for 61.
Yes. Think.
Plus 1.
What?
60 plus 1.
Perfect, Ian. Zainab, tell me yours.
30 plus 31 is 6.
That is already said. Can you take some other? Because I think you can take it. That's why I'm asking you again and again, beta. I think you can come up with other pair. That's why I left the place because I want the answer from you and I'll put it over here. Chalo, fast Zainab. And others, where are you roaming? Amir, Khatija. Yeah, Khatija. Chalo, Khatija, tell me a number pair for 61. Fast. Others have to go ahead and solve it for other part. What?
I'm still thinking.
ठीक है. I don't want 60 and 1, Khatija. I don't want 60 and 1.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
60 plus 3.
60 plus 3 will give me 61, Musfira. Yeah?
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, Zainab, tell me what's your answer.
50 plus 10 is 61.
50 plus 10, are you sure?
Yes.
No, beta. 50 plus 1 will not give me 61. 50 plus
No.
50 plus.
Not, I didn't say 1. 51 plus 10.
Okay, that's better. Can I make it 11? Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, chalo. Now for the fourth question. Fast, kids, fast. What is for the fourth one? Tell me the answer for the across part. What the answer did we get? 88. Chalo, fast. Amir, wait, I'm coming to you.
40 plus
What? 40 plus what?
44 plus 44.
Yes, very nice. 88. Chalo.
4 plus 4.
4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 is only 8. We won't get 88, Musfira.
40 plus 40.
40 plus 40 is 80. Who would like to answer
Yeah.
for 80?
No, can I tell? 48 plus 48.
That's wrong, Ali. That's wrong.
48 plus 40.
Oh my God. Just wait.
48 plus 40. 48 plus 40. I tell that first.
48 plus 40. Yes,
40,
will do.
yes.
Okay, the simple
Ali
one.
said.
Yeah, Amara, I want you to answer. Tell me for 88, the number pair for 88.
Khadija, I got one.
Yeah.
For 61. I got
Amara?
one for 61.
Okay.
Khadija.
I want Amara here. Split this. I explained you now how could you get the simple number pair.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. When you don't know anything, you can split the number into
80
one. Plus.
plus 8.
Lovely. Got it?
Then
Got
ma'am,
it? Okay. Yeah,
Then ma'am,
Khatija. Yeah, tell me.
I got a number pair for 61.
Yeah, tell me what is it?
19 plus 42.
How much? How much? What? 19?
19 plus 42.
1919, na?
Yes, 19.
19 plus 42 you saying.
Yes. I'm done. I have answer.
Right. It's right. Khatija, it's right. Okay? Chalo. Yeah. What should I take over here?
70 plus 8.
Musfira Sayyed.
80.
Musfira Sayyed. Number pair for 88. Where is Musfira Rizwani?
Ma'am, 16 plus 8.
Yes. Lovely, Musfira
18
Rizwan.
plus 8.
Chalo, look, kids, it's already 10:40. If you
Ma'am,
want, you can
70
solve this
plus
further,
18.
or else I will continue. I'll continue, okay, when we
Ma'am,
meet next.
70
But till here, I'm
plus
not doing it,
18.
huh? Till here, I'm not
Ma'am,
doing it. I'll do
ma'am,
it
ma'am,
from
ma'am,
4.
ma'am, 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 ma'am.
Yes.
want to say something.
Yeah, Zainab, say.
70 plus 18.
Perfect, Zainab. Okay. I will do from 4th part, huh? I'll do it from 4th. I will not do till 3, huh? I've done this. Okay? On Wednesday. Chalo. Bye, everyone. Okay?
Bye, ma'am.
And if you want, you can solve this now. You want me to do it further? Now you can do it. Now you can do it. Now.
We'll continue.
Sorry, you can do it now. Or you want me to do it? Are tell na.
Can I continue? Can we continue?
Yes. For what? What we can continue? The session?
Like in the next class. In the next
Okay,
class.
okay. Chalo, we'll do it then. Okay. And kids, I have please get your popsicle stick and elastic band. Next week we will start that activity. Okay. It's
You
getting
always say
delayed.
next week. Next week.
Arey, good Zainab, you tell me one thing, something or other thing comes in, then what to do? I'm not getting a time only to start with another chapter. We are so much into in this multiplication division. Sorry, addition. And all.
say next week.
No,
Ma'am,
no.
you
Look,
always
look.
say next week,
Musfira,
next week,
Musfira
next
Rizwani, look. Next week, pakka I'm doing it. Okay. And one more announcement. Many of the kids have not submitted the maths assignment. Please do it. I want to discuss that also.
Ma'am, I submit my maths.
Yeah. Who have not? Amir, you have
Ma'am,
not done it, I guess.
Something in the message.
Please
Ma'am,
do it
Something in your message.
right now.
I did my assignment. Not right now. Before, because
Yeah, I know,
I didn't
Zainab, I
understand
know
the
about
question.
you. I told you that I will discuss in the class. Okay? Don't worry.
I
Yeah.
did your assignment.
Yeah, I
did
know.
your assignment.
There are few kids who haven't done. Please do it so that we can discuss the questions in which you're getting the difficulty. Chalo then. Bye. Take care. Happy weekend, by the way.
Tuesday we have to bring a popsicle
No. I will let you know. Next week, probably. Next week. Okay, chalo. Bye. Happy weekend.
Bye,
Enjoy yourself. Yes. Bye.